Everybody, welcome to our all new Costco meal kit with Matt. Today we picked up the famous meatloaf and Yukon mashed potatoes right here, guys. I've heard a lot about this meal and I've been waiting to try it. And it's pretty straightforward. Just going to heat your oven up to 375 degrees. Going to pop this little plastic top off just like that. As you can see, that is a huge slab of meatloaf with mashed potatoes and butter right there, guys. And pretty much you just leave it in the pan. The pan does say that it is ovenable, so you're just going to put it on the pan, put it on like a little cooking tray just like this, and take some tin foil, good old trusty tin foil, and go ahead and seal that up right there, guys. And then we're just going to place that into the oven for around 60 to 65 minutes and let that cook, and we'll be right back. Guys, it has been exactly 65 minutes. Let's pull this bad boy lid off right here. Look at that. That looks really good. Nice and piping hot right there, guys. So what I'm going to do is with these potatoes, I'm just going to throw a little bit of pepper on there. Give them a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt. Alright, and I'm going to mix those up with that butter in there that's all nice and melted right there, guys. Alright, so we're going to get this stirred up right here. And then we are going to slice up this meatloaf and give it a little test try. Check that out. The meatloaf looks delicious. Let that nice like tomato-based glaze on there. Mashed potatoes look real good. So, let's go ahead and get this sliced and try it out. Alright guys, it's time to taste it right here. Start with these mashed potatoes. They're a little warm, so. Oh wow, those are good right there, guys. Really buttery. Add just a little bit of salt and pepper to them. Those are good. Time to try this meatloaf right here. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's hot. That meatloaf is good, guys. It's got the onions in there, the ketchup like I like it. Man, that right there is some really good meatloaf, guys. So be sure to head down to Costco, pick you up one of these meatloaf mashed potato meal kits, guys. You won't regret it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.